So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy McDonald's stock, ticker symbol MCD in Canada using Questrade. So I open up Questrade, go to the top right and press on the search icon. Once you're here, search up ticker symbol MCD for McDonald's. At the top, McDonald's Corporation, that's what you're looking for. Press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left where it says buy and press on that. Then either do a share quantity order or a dollar amount order. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on the next button, and then proceed this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy McDonald's stock, ticker symbol MCD in Canada using Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.